My name is Don Hart. I'm the welding instructor at the Burns Flat campus, and I'm here to announce the graduates of the welding program at Burns Flat for the year 2020. The first graduate I'll recognize is Jordan Brown. Second, Colby Foley. Third graduate, Dominic Gonzalez. Juan Guzman is a graduate. Galen Horton is a graduate. Gabriel Maddox. Tyson Shelton. Evania Simpkins, Carlos Soto, and Andrew Washburn are the AM graduates in the welding class. The PM graduates, Timothy Adams, Mason Debert. The third graduate in the afternoon is Jacob Hamlet, Daniel Toskeski, Eric Najira, Hayden Stout, Elijah Stovall, Landon Whitley. Now I'll announce the awards for the year. The AM Outstanding Attitude First Year, Braden Cantwell. PM is Anthony Q-Rose. First Year Outstanding Students, AM is Jeremiah Thompson. PM is Braden Taylor. Second Year Outstanding Attitude, AM is Gabriel Maddox. PM is Mason Debert. Outstanding Students, second year, AM is Dalen Horton, and PM is Daniel Koscheski. And those are the graduates and award winners of the welding program on the Burns Flat campus. Thank you.
Greetings from Western Technology Center. This is Penny Berry, Director of Instruction, and I come today to wish our graduates well. Making history is kind of cool. So the class of 2020 of Western Technology Center exited here on the 13th of March and have not been back to the building. However, I know that my teachers have worked so hard to deliver you all instruction and that you're getting those assignments back. And so we really want to congratulate you all today on a year that's been different. You know, you only learn when you find yourself in situations of adversity. So you have an opportunity as you go out into the world of work to stand on the fact that you did something different for your education. Speaking of education, we do thank you for coming to Western Technology Center. You all spend over 1,000 hours of your life with us, and we certainly do appreciate that and champion that choice. So as you all move on into the next phase of your life, then we wish you well. I represent today all of the administrators from Western Technology Center and your instructors and those other folks that serve you in support areas. We wish you well. So my final words are, congratulations, graduates of 2020 Western Technology Center.